Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use text to speech in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut, then select your picture or video. Now press on text. Here you can see text to audio. Click on this. From here, you have to write your text. Press on done. From here, you can select your voiceover. Press on next.
Here is my text.
That's it. So this is how to use text to speech in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.